All right, perfect. Let's get started. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's stream. My name is Yaroslav, and today is the first day of our awesome event, Skilltember. It is Monday, September the 12th, and it is the Ronaldo Skilltember Challenge, the very first day, what you guys see on the screen. And before I run away with all the interesting information, let's give people a few more minutes to sign in, to open up their platforms and to open up their YouTubes, because we have a lot of things to cover today. I love these events. One of the best things about Olymp Trade is the different challenges and quests that they have. Like if you guys remember in the new year, we had the New Year's challenge, and then 2 years ago was the $1 challenge. I love the quests. I love the gamification of trading because, it just adds that extra layer of reward, first of all, and then that extra layer of, I need to do something else, because if we just, if we're only seeking money, if we're only seeking benefit, it may get a little bit difficult, especially as you face hardship time and time again. And that, that comes with it. That comes with trading. And Ronaldinho, he didn't, become so great as he is just, by being lazy, right? He took a set of skills and he practiced and practiced and practiced. And that's basically what we're going to be doing here as well. The great Ronaldinho is actually one of the main heroes of this event. I mean, how cool is that? Let me get some feedback from you guys. You guys in chat, go ahead and write if you like football, if you love it, or if you prefer maybe cricket. I myself don't know much about football, but I do know who Ronaldinho is. Of course, he's a legend in soccer. He was named in 2004 and 2005 FIFA's top player of the year, the world player of the year. And he's considered one of the greatest soccer players of all time, easily in the top 50 and the top 100. So it's awesome to have him be our ambassador. And for us to learn from him is also actually a gift. So today is the first day of the event of Skilltember. And you're probably asking yourself, what is Skilltember? What is this new event? Well, it's a 2-week event, and each day of the week is dedicated to different aspects of soccer and trading. Things like speed, things like defense, like tactics. All of that will be, each day will be attributed to one of those skills that you have to practice. And each day brings new prizes to you guys. All you have to do is open up the Olymp Trade platform and you're already registered. So here's the event. Let's go ahead and have a look at what it looks like. You don't need to register. Actually, when you click on this button, it'll give you a lot of information, and I just want to point out some key aspects here for you. So you're actually earning mastery points. These things right here, they're mastery points, and you can see this skill right here is going to have the biggest amount of mastery points. So you really want to be active in trading on this day. And the prize pool is $200,000. Now, the greatest part about this event is you don't actually need to be in the top 10. It actually is random. But the more of these skills that you have, the better. The more mastery points you have, the bigger your chance. And all you need to do is do at least one task. And that's what we're here to do together with you today. I'm going to help you go through and finish these tasks for today. So here we have the first task or the first artifact of the week, and it's speed. Now this is dedicated to composite indices because the markets change very quickly, right? The trend can sometimes change, within a few minutes to a few days. And composites are indices basically, and they offer you a top-down look on that specific sector or industry. So it's very, very key that you learn A, how to increase your speed in understanding the market, and B, your reaction time. Your reaction time to changing market trends, to changing conditions, to changing trading emotions. So today's the first day, so you haven't missed anything. If we go back here, you can see that it is the first day. out of 10. And also down here, if you go all the way back to this outline, here are all the events. These are the different cups that we had, and this is the current event going on. So the trading day ends in 12 hours. So half of the day is already gone. So you guys are actually quite lucky that we have this webinar. You can make up for lost time. Now, when you log on to the platform, each day of the week, there's going to be a different artifact, so try to collect them all. The skill of the day today is speed, and here are the new tasks, the unique tasks that we need to do. If you just scroll down on the main window, there's a little bit of an information window about it, but this is where we really want to take the time to have a look at what our trading plan for the day is going to be. So the first thing that I really notice is down here, make $10 worth of trades on any composite index. That means the trades that I'm going to be opening are going to be $10. Now I started a new account specifically for this tournament, so I have $10,000 on my account. I'm going to be making small trades, right? This is my money that I want to keep. And so I want to, of course, make as much money as I can. So I'm just going to be doing the minimum in order to finish these tasks and increase my chances of winning. Now, besides money prizes, there's also going to be loot boxes, which are incredible. Inside, even I don't know what's going to be inside of these boxes, but it's very exciting to earn one, to win one. There's a lot of really useful and valuable things inside of the loot boxes. So I think we are going to now get into the nitty-gritty. We're going to dive into the webinar. And the strategy that I'll be using today is my new 1 minute FTT strategy. And I'll actually show you guys also why I'll be trading on FTT today. So as we saw, we're going to be trading composites today. On Forex, there's the Asia comp, the commodity and European composite. But on the FTT side, we have a lot more. So there's a lot more to choose from, and their profitability is a staggering 82. So that's what we want to see when we're trading. We want to have this kind of profitability. Now, where can we find information about the active challenge? Right here, if you click on the Olymp Trade icon, that's where you'll be finding any active or completed events that we have going on the platform. So back to our unique tasks. Let's check out the leaderboard. Ooh, we have Karim, Praveen, and Loy. Wow, already these guys have 16,000 mastery points. So as you guys can see, the competition is going strong. Now, so $10 worth of any composite, we want to be trading up on the commodity composite, just opening one, so that's going to be an easy one. Make one profitable trade on the Euro comp index, so we're just going to be trading until we make a positive outcome, and then make one profitable trade on the Asia comp index using your demo account. So perfect. We'll start with the demo account first. You guys can open up the demo account, and anytime you run out of money, or say you want to top back up to 10,000, you just want to click this button right here, and that'll refresh your demo account, and hey, we are open there. So Asia composite, go ahead and open this. Ooh, we can see that there. Oh, this is the daily graph. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. And I wanted to speak a little bit about the trading strategy that I will be using. So we'll go over the quests and complete them together today with you. As you do these quests, as you finish and learn how to win and how to beat the daily quests, you're actually going to be practicing your trading skills. And actually that's a part of Ronaldinho's toolkit. That's how he got so big, he got so popular, was that he took these skills like speed and accuracy and defense, and he practiced them until perfection. And we can actually take that image of a soccer player and implement it into our trading life, into our trader's way. And as you complete these tasks, you'll not only get mastery points, but you'll also receive precious experience, hands-on experience, when you're trading. And so there's a lot of positivity to these events. Like I said, that's why they're my favorite. So Ronaldinho became a master because he practiced these skills and became almost a true sporting artist, if I may. And that is the top category in this event. By completing this event, traders can become just as great as Ronaldinho and earn that achievement of trading artist. That's going to be my personal goal. I'm striving to hit trading artist. And if you also are thinking about aspiring and achieving success, go ahead and hit that like button if you also want to be a trading artist, and subscribe to the channel to learn my secret trading strategy. This strategy that I will be using today, I actually made a video about it. You can find it in the strategies playlist. So this is definitely a channel that you guys want to save. So it's very simple. I'll be using a 50 SMA. I have the Bollinger Bands just so that I can see the 20 SMA as well as the kind of channel that we're trading in. And then I also want to add the RSI, but I'm changing it, and I'm making it with a period of, so to change the parameters, you just go ahead and click on the indicator itself there, and I'm going to change the RSI to 3. It becomes very, very, very sensitive, but the signals, as you can see right here and right here, are very, very good. So what you want to be looking for is you want to be looking for a trend. So here we have a trend, like so. So this is an uptrend, that's good for us. So when we're seeing that it's a short-term or mid-term uptrend, we want to be looking for buys. So as you can see right now, to be selling the Asia comp, I probably won't be doing that. But if it drops down to the middle area right here where we have this middle line, if it does drop down to there, I may consider buying. Again, I need to open up just one trade on the demo account, one profitable trade on the Asia Composite on the demo account, so it can be either up or down. That takes up a lot of stress off of our shoulders. So let's go ahead and open up with a trade duration of 1 minute. And this is the demo account, so I just want to quickly go ahead and make the trade. So as that's going on, we want to embody Ronaldinho's spirit and use his skills to aid us in our trading, and so that we can improve our skills as well. Today's skill is speed, by the way. If you guys missed that, today's skill is speed right here. And like I told you, the markets change very quickly. The tide changes very quickly. And we want to have a quick finger and open the right trade at the right time and seize the opportunity. And the asset class that we're trading today is composites, like we have the Asia composite right now. And the composites actually show you what's going on in that particular region. We have the Euro comp and the Asia comp. This is an index that shows you what's going on in the region. So perfect, we finished our first quest, guys. Here is the result of the first trade, and boom, this is what it looks like when you complete one of your tasks. That's fantastic. So 1 out of the way, 3 more to go. Let's go ahead, switch back to our tournament account and have a look at the European composite. So European composite, make 1 profitable trade on the Euro comp index. So perfect, either up or down. We're in a short-term downtrend as the 20 bears witness, but we also have an uptrend with the 50. I want to be opening a trade out of the extremities. Whenever there's an excess to the top side or to the bottom, this is referred to as overbought or oversold. And right now we just entered into being oversold. This is perfect. Again, look, it's a really good uptrend. This is a deep correction, but something that is expected after we have a parabolic move like that. So now that we are in that territory, I would love for it to drop down just a little bit longer, so then I can open up a buy position. But let's go ahead and switch the amount to $10 so I don't make that fat finger mistake of opening a $1,000 trade right now. I do want to give it some time to kind of finish its move before I open my trade, because when we do get in an uptrend, it's going to be a very serious and strong uptrend. I just don't want to be caught in something like this. This is or like this, right? This is very choppy trading. So whenever you see a period like that, for you, it's best to just sit on your hands. You're not in a rush. You don't need to, rush things. You have 12 hours to complete these. So we're going to just wait, but again, we are looking to make that buy. Now, another good trade signal is confirmation to my strategy is if we break the 50 SMA to the top side. When we have that cross, that'll really signal that, hey, we are back in action, we're back moving up. And one thing that you can do is have a look at what is going on actually in the European market. So if we go to indices, we can have a look at the Euro Stoxx 50. And again, it's also in a massive bullish uptrend that really makes it easier for us, that we really want to be opening up a buy trade. I don't want to jump the gun, but then I also don't want to miss the trade. It is in that kind of choppy area where anything really can happen. So how many of you guys are actual sports fans? How many of you love soccer? Go ahead and write in chat if you're a big fan of Ronaldinho. Have you seen some of his crazy trick shots? After this webinar, go ahead and look up some of his incredible moves, incredible trick shots, high fly kicks. Just the way he dribbles, right, is very, very tricky and very, very impressive. Impressive would be the right word. So it may very well be that this trade won't go through. We have a few more seconds. I'm going to go ahead and open up the composite commodity comp as well, and go ahead and do the same thing. So we have just opening one up on the commodity composite has already closed that skill for us, has already given us the mastery points and closed the quest, which is great. That's all we are looking for. So back to the Euro comp. So our trade did not go through, unfortunately. I do want to make another attempt. We saw the European Euro Stoxx indice was actually quite bullish. It may be that in this time of day there may be a deeper correction, but for those of you that are going to continue trading until after the webinar, it may be wise, to catch some of these reversals from the bottom. Again, we're hanging around at the bottom of a correction. I did jump the gun on this trade. I don't want the webinar to go on for too long, but we do have, right now, the trading strategy tells me to wait just a little bit longer. We are running out of time. That's why I opened up the trade ahead of time. One sneaky thing you guys can do is especially if you have a large account like mine, you can open up trades in both directions, right? I could have opened up a buy trade and a sell trade at the same time and finished all of these trades honestly in about 5 minutes, maybe less. So just a heads up on some of the things you can do. Look at that. That trade came through just perfectly for our trade. So the final thought that I want to leave you guys with is these regular tasks, you can do them indefinitely. So that's how these people have made so many mastery points. Wow, he grew 4,000 in just 16 minutes that I've been doing the webinar. Wow, really incredible. Kareem, good job on you. So you can redo these regular tasks indefinitely throughout the day while time still lasts, and you will make more and more mastery points, which bring you closer to the top level and give you more chances to win those loot boxes and the big cash prize. All right, so I'll leave you guys with that information. I think all of our trades actually were profitable today. Every trade that we opened, except the first demo account one. So that brings us to the end of the first Ronaldinho Skilltember stream. Thank you all so much for watching. Set yourself some goals over the next 2 weeks, and you'll see how soon you'll be scoring goals yourself, just like Ronaldinho does trick shots. hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel as if it was a save from an offsides kick. The channel will bring you a lot of value, will bring you a lot of confidence in your own trading and a lot of knowledge. So you never want to miss one of our webinars. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because we're going to be doing these webinars every day. Come back tomorrow, same time, same place, and I will show you guys how to get the next how to finish the next quests, and we can do them together. And you guys can learn a few more tips and tricks from myself and Ronaldinho. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yaroslav. I wish you guys good luck in this event and in your trading, and see you all again tomorrow. Thank you all. Same time, same place. Ciao Zino. Peace.